Hi everyone, this is Gerald, speaking from what has temporarily become my holiday season headquarters. There's point everywhere, lights and wrapping paper in places it shouldn't be. And I'm pretty sure someone walked off with my good airbrush. But that's alright. This is the kind of chaos we like because we have a lot to share with you this year. So settle in, because this holiday season we are doing things bigger, better, and maybe a little crazier than usual. We also have something free just for you guys at the end of the video, so keep watching. First, for the very first time in Gaahleri and Kaleido history, we're giving back together with you. Starting now, we are donating 3% of our sales to charity. And the best part is that you get to choose exactly where that money goes. Through the Pledge app on Shopify, you can pick non-profits, organizations, and causes that relates to you. Whether it's education, environmental work, animal rescue, mental health, humanitarian support, or anything else that matters to you. You can also choose to donate any amount you like outside of the 3% that we are already doing. We will also be showing real-time donation data on our website, so you can see the impact grow as we raise money together. And if you're not sure which cause to choose, or want help navigating through the options, or how to use the donation features, we have prepared a video walkthrough on our website just for you. Or just reach out to your customer service team. We are ready and happy to help. Learn more using the link in the description. Now, let's talk about the holidays. Just like our Black Friday event, we are bringing back the savings with up to 30% off across the entire store. If you've been eyeing a new airbrush, planning to expand your paint collection, or looking for tools to upgrade your workspace, this is your moment. Consider this your chance to finally check off that wish list you've been ignoring. Our annual lucky draw is returning as well, and this year the prizes are worth more than $6,000. From November 18th to January 4th, every order you place becomes an automatic entry. There's no minimum spend and nothing extra you need to do. Just shop and you're in. We have 164 winners in total, and winners will be announced on January 6, 2026 on our website and social media. And because we like to make things even more interesting, we are launching our 12 days of flash sales, starting December 6 and running all the way to the 21st. We will feature 3 products with extra discount each time based on the 12 flash sales schedule. Other than our regular products, we also have exclusive bundles that have never been released before. You can check the full schedule on our website using the link in description, or simply drop by daily to see what's new. Before we wrap up, we have a little gift for you. This idea came directly from your feedback. Many of you told us that sometimes your airbrush cup lids get stuck, or they are a little tough to open. So our team designed a set of custom 3D printable lids for you to download and print at home, completely free. Available for download through our website, our Discord server, and our Facebook community. We've created several versions, including holiday-themed lids, official Gaahleri logo styles, and even some adorable animal editions that brought us lots of love. We are also giving you the base lid with the fitting files so you can customize them or design your own versions. If you do, please share them with us, and we will share them on our website as well on your behalf for others to download. We love seeing your creativity and sharing it with the community. And that's our holiday season lineup: donations, discounts, flash sales, giveaways, and free downloads. Everything except me showing dressed up as a snowman. Thank you for being with us, for supporting us, and for bringing your incredible creativity into the world. You inspire us every day. For full details, schedules, and updates, you can visit our website through the link provided into the description. From all of us at Gaahleri and Kaleido Colorworks, we wish you a warm, joyful, and creative holiday season. Happy holidays, happy creating!